Today under Vidyajnana, we are going to continue with this mind mapping photographic memory technique. Earlier we have seen how to prepare the descriptive questions, especially in subjects like English, Tamil, whatever language, social, even in science you can say all the descriptive questions, how to prepare we have seen, and paragraph questions how to prepare, and then we have seen the one para, two para questions. Then we have seen about the steps involved to be noted in the mind mapping method for while solving the problems in mathematics. Now we are going to see how to prepare for the physics problems, especially for plus 2. We have special physics problems. So physics and chemistry. Chemistry involves chemical equations, and physics more or less it is like mathematics only. So as in mathematics we have followed the steps method, in physics also. In descriptive part we follow the paragraph method, that is para, sentence, words, that thing you follow. But in case the problems comes, you have to follow the mathematical method of steps. So here we are taking on problem in physics about pendulum formula. So a pendulum length is 4 meters. It completes one full cycle of 0.25 times every second. The maximum displacement that the pendulum bob reaches is 0.1 meters from the center. Find out the time period of the oscillation and what is the displacement after 0.6 seconds. So in physics also we come across a lot of problems. So while solving the problems, what you have to keep it in mind is, here question is pendulum's length. So you can pendulums, what is the requirement is displacement. So you can note down. So what is the answer, question and answer? This is about pendulum and its displacement. So here the problem contains answer. So here in these steps totally we have got 15 steps. So you have to remember, for solving the problems you have to draw in your mind map what are all these 15 steps involved. So step 1, step 2, step 3, this we remember by way of S1. So in the step 1, what is I have to begin with, make sure to write down the information which you already know. So you are given the information that you have to enter. So by far we already know. So that is step 1. What is step 2? The length of the pendulum, L is equal to 4 meters. The pendulum's frequency is 0.25. F is equal to 0.25. Third, fourth step is, similarly the amplitude or maximum displacement is 0.1. So fifth step is time is 0.6. A is equal to 0.1 and T is equal to 0.6. And sixth step is, finally the acceleration due to gravity as always is 9.8. G is equal to 9.8. So step 7 is, so you need to find T. So like this, while reading it, what is the steps involved? Each step you just have to note down in the mind mapping. You have to put in the mind mapping. Then S8. In order to find T, you need to simply plug numbers into this equation and solve it accordingly. So step 9. You have the equation of 2 pi times the square root of 4, which will divide by 9.8. So that is, so step 10 is that the equation will be 2 pi into 2 pi first, then 2 pi 0.482, 2 pi into 0.64, then 2 pi into 3.4 into 0.64, 4.01. So each one you put in one step each. Then final step is, therefore the time period of the oscillation is 4.01. So like this, you note down. In case of physics, there are two things. Descriptive questions, you follow the paragraph, sentence and words method which are taught first. And as far as the problems are concerned, you have to follow the steps involved in as in mathematics. So this is the way how you can prepare this physics subject, descriptive and problem solving method. Now we come to the chemistry. The 12th chemistry we are taking a chemical equation. How to remember? So Gabriel phthalamide synthesis. This is the question. So here we are drawing a chemical equation. So in this chemical equation you should not miss even a single point. If you write the equation correctly, you will get full marks. But how to remember it? So here involve the, especially in case of chemical equations, two sides of the equation will be there, and normally one single equation goes with so many components. So here if you see, there are in this equation, so number of components involved in this equation. Phthalamide prepared with ethanolic potassium hydroxide produces potassium salt of phthalamide when heated with alkyl halide followed by alkaline hydrolysis forms the corresponding primary amine. So this is the chemical. Before the step 1 involves explanation. So here also we have the steps and the components. So in step 1 we are writing this one, phthalamide prepared with ethanolic potassium. In step 2 involves the equation. In equation we put up the how many components are contained in this equation. There are 6 chemical components involved in this equation. What are that? The phthalamide. So we are drawing this equation and put CO, and NH. Then KOH, potassium hydroxide. Then we are putting this equation. So like this you will be drawing step 1, the component 1, component 2, component 3, component 4, component 5. So each component you have to separately study, store it in your subconscious mind, see it 2-3 times. Read this. Step 1 contains the explanation in the chemical equation. Phthalamide prepared with ethanolic potassium. So just read it and store it. And step 2 contains equation. In equation you contain 6 components. You should keep it in the subconscious mind and record it. So component 1 what it contains, component 2 what it contains, component 3. So this is component 1, component 2, component 3, component 4, component 5. So there are 5 components involved. 5, and finally this final answer R minus NH2. This is the amine. So the 6 part is there, 6 components. You have to write and see the 6 components. So once you in the step 1 you write this content, and in step 2 you write these 6 components, you will get full marks. So like that you have to make an analysis. In chemistry also the descriptive questions you follow this paragraph, sentence, words, parameter, and these equations you have to follow. They are similar to the mathematics or physics steps involved in this. So like this you practice and see how best you can able to keep things in the memory map, so that each and every question. So here Gabriel's phthalamide synthesis, this you have to write the question. For this question there are 2 steps. Step 1 contains phthalamide prepared with ethanol potassium hydroxide produces that thing. Step 2 contains 6 components of equation that you write and see. So once you write this you will get full marks. So similar in this way you have to prepare for this physics and chemistry. Similarly you can take accountancy. In accountancy you have to draw the charts where you can follow the principles of mathematics, steps involved, first step, second step, third step. All these things you have to follow even in accountancy as well as when you solve the problems. And when you solve the descriptive part like auditing, principles of accountancy, whereas there you have to follow the paragraph types. So like this one has to use this mind mapping technique and photographic memory method to prepare for the examination and see that each and every question what you study you score with highest marks. Thank you. Next we will see the fast reading and permanent memory technique, by which you can remember the subject permanently when you go for your annual examination, which is the final examination for clearing that year's study, and you succeed with flying colors to enter the next higher level of studies. How we can prepare this fast reading permanent memory, we will see in the next session. Thank you.